Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Intex Challenger K1 series inflatable kayak. This is a well-priced inflatable fishing kayak. Understandably, this kayak comes with average features, design, and durability. Everything you need is included in the package. It has a pump, a repair kit, and a pair of paddles. This inflatable kayak is designed for calm waters. It would take you approximately 10 minutes to inflate the kayak. I am surprised that this kayak can hold up to 220 pounds. If you'd like to bring heavy items, I'm sure you won't have issues as long as you don't exceed its weight capacity. But keep in mind, there's only one storage area, and it's not waterproof. The significant advantage of this inflatable kayak, it's so easy to inflate and deflate. Also, the paddles are collapsible. And that makes it easy to transport and store the kayak. The most significant disadvantage of this kayak is the lack of fishing accessories, like rod holders. Fishing from this kayak is a bit of a juggling act, but it's an inexpensive option for beginners. Our second best fishing kayak for beginners is Pelican Sentinel 100X Angler. The Sentinel 100X Angler from Pelican is part of their recreational sit-on-top collection and is ideal for the paddler looking to enjoy a stable and relaxing kayaking experience during the warm season on calm or slow-moving waters. The Sentinel 100X Angler is specifically designed for the experienced fisherman looking to try kayak fishing. Measuring 9 feet 6 inches and weighing only 44 pounds, this kayak is incredibly easy to transport and store. A multi-chine flat bottom hull ensures the stability needed when casting lines. Third pick in our list is Lifetime Tamarack Fishing Kayak. The Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 is a sit-on-top fishing kayak that has a comfortable padded seat and backrest for your long paddling and fishing adventures. Designed for extreme safety and stability, the Tamarack Angler has a stable, flat bottom with deep tracking channels and stability chine rails. The kayak is constructed of blow-molded high-density polyethylene HDPE, making it durable, UV-protected and impact-resistant. The 52-pound design and front and rear carry handles make it easy to transport to and from the waterfront. With fishing rod holders, shock cord straps, multiple footrest positions, and 2 storage hatches, this kayak has plenty of extras to enhance your paddling and fishing experience. Let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Perception Pescador 12. The Pescador 12.0 from Perception Kayaks is one of the most versatile sit-on-top fishing kayaks on the market. The multi-chine hull, broad shoulder and tracking keel creates a boat with maneuverability, glide and stability, so much so that even new paddlers can explore lakes, ponds and flatwater rivers with confidence. This boat packs plenty of speed and capacity for any size paddler to enjoy a full day on the water. Features include spacious open storage, covered dry storage, 2 rod holders, multiple gear tracks, a comfort seating system and more. The 375 pounds capacity rating packed into a 12-foot kayak means plenty of room for you and your gear. Compared to its shorter sibling, the longer length adds speed, storage, and stability. Multiple storage options, fish-ready features, and an incredibly comfortable seat keep you on the water for longer. For details, let's watch more.
Cruise, explore, and fish with kayaking's most well-rounded performer, the Pescador. The Pescador series of sit-on-top kayaks are designed to be the best all-around boats for the money. Unmatched comfort, stability, speed, and straight tracking performance make it fun for even new paddlers to explore lakes, ponds, and flatwater rivers. Ready to fish right out of the box, the Pescador is loaded with features. Molded-in rod and cup holders are standard, and multiple gear tracks and a solo mount recess make it easy to customize, with accessories like cameras and fishing rod holders. A covered oval hinged hatch allows for extra dry cargo and ease of access, and a larger tank well is sure to fit popular fishing crate sizes, giving you more comfort for your money. The Pescador seat outperforms comparable models with thick ergonomic padding and an adjustable seat back for personalized support. Rugged and low maintenance, the Pescador features Perception's legendary one-piece roto-molded high-tech polymer construction for superior UV, impact, and abrasion resistance. Proudly designed, molded, and hand-assembled in the USA and available in a variety of colors, the Pescador is a great choice for all-around comfort and performance. To learn more, visit your local authorized Perception Kayaks dealer.
Number 5 in our top 5 best fishing kayak for beginners list is Pelican Sentinel 100X Fishing Kayak. This actually ensures you have a durable kayak. It is impact resistant, and it can actually get back to its original shape after a hard impact. The exterior of the kayak is also UV protected. This is a 9.6 inches X kayak, but it is crafted to perform like the longer kayaks with improved tracking and agility. It comes with a paddle, so you don't need to buy one. Thanks to its multi-chine flat-bottom hull design, it provides extra stability, excellent tracking, and is easy to maneuver. You are also guaranteed to have a smooth ride because it sports an adjustable ergoform padded backrest with seat cushion, another trademark from Pelican. There's also enough legroom for your comfort and multiple adjustable footrests. Surprisingly, it has features that most kayaks don't have. There are also easy-to-access extra storage for your phone, cup, and other essentials. It has added vertical rod holders with multiple sections and extra bungee cords. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.